In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to add multiple vendor discounts to a purchase order. By adding the discounts to the purchase order, the actual costs of the products are tracked, resulting in an accurate profit and loss report. Also, the precise amount owed to the vendor can be calculated based on the purchase order. Open the client settings and enable the Multi-Discount for Purchase Order setting. Click on PO Discounts Type in the Settings menu. On this page, we can enter the names of the different types of discounts. Enter all discount types for all vendors. The discount types will be defined for each vendor separately. Open Company Settings and select a company. Open the toolbox, scroll down to the Vendors tab, and select a vendor. On the Vendors page, click on the Multi-Discounts tab in the side menu. Now we can configure this vendor's discounts. Select the discount type. Define whether it's a dollar amount or a percentage. The next thing to do is to enter a discount amount. Lastly, define whether the discount calculation is simple or compound. Let's explain these two terms. Simple discounts are added together first and only then applied to the purchase order. For example, let's say your subtotal on the purchase order is $100, and you have two simple discounts of 3% each. The discounts are added together for a total of 6% and then applied to the purchase order for a grand total of $94. Compound discounts are applied individually to the purchase order, in succession. Using the same purchase order of $100 with two compound discounts of 3% each, the first 3% is applied for a subtotal of $97. The second 3% is then applied to the $97 for a grand total of $94.09. If there are multiple simple and compound discounts, the simple discounts are added together first and then applied. Only afterward are the compound discounts applied individually. Let's explain how these discounts work on a purchase order. There are two categories of discounts: header discounts and item line discounts. Header discounts are discounts that are applied to the entire purchase order. Item line discounts are applied to individual items being ordered. When there are both header and item line discounts, the header discounts are calculated first and the item line second. The header discounts appear in this grid. Only the discounts configured for this vendor appear, but you can add and configure more discounts with these drop-down menus. Simple discounts are first added together no matter where they are placed in the grid, while compound discounts are applied according to their order in the grid. When one compound discount is a dollar amount and another a percentage, it's critical that they be placed in the correct order. You can rearrange the order of discounts by selecting the discount and dragging it to another row in the grid. To configure your item line discounts, click here to expand the item row. Multiple discounts can be configured here in the same way that you set the header discounts. These header and item multi-discounts should not be confused with vendor promotional discounts. Those discounts are configured on the Promotional tab on the Vendors page and are reflected in the adjusted price before discounts are applied. Promotional discounts are discussed in another tutorial video. Vendor discounts are usually dealt with as rebates, where the vendor issues a quarterly rebate check for the total value of the discounts. Therefore, the total of the multi-discounts will be shown on the grid here, but will not be reflected in the grand total of the purchase order. The discounts will, however, be factored into the cost of the individual items on the purchase order to ensure an accurate profit and loss report. For more information on multi-discounts, please visit wiki.sellercloud.com.